Hello Josh, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2016 Ducati Scrambler. Basically this is a brand new, but we're selling as a used. This is we bought from the Ducati dealership or keep it here in our showroom for customer. Right now it's 10,588 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle has never been in the road yet, but for the price it's fantastic. You have everything clean. Say you're gonna be the first owner of this unit. If you want me to secure this motorcycle, it's still available. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist. Has a nice pipes, some terminology, so it's very good and nice. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.